please.
On the chips. Yeah, man.
Ketchup Okuva. It smells nice though. Yo, Uganda is going down. Love fest for the girl them. It's going down. Pallaso, I'm ready. Ready. Which are we going that way?
Use this way.
It's Friday, now
Giving everybody love.
Pampana. Yeah, man.
I can't see. If you put light to my eye, I can't see.
Spread your love.
Yeah, we spread the love.
Yeah, man.
You take one. Yeah, man. Yo.
No face.
Love fest. On the 9th, everybody needs to come out, you know, because the blessings that are coming, you don't even know. Papi, flowers for you? You don't want? It's too much for you. We're spreading love. We're spreading love for everybody. I still can't see though.
Pallaso.
Going down.
Yeah, man.
Same energy, you know. So much love.
Okay, Love Fest, we're coming to you live from Entebbe International Airport. Ketchup all the way from Nigeria to Uganda. Thank you so much. First of all, talk to Ugandans.
Yo, my people in Uganda, Wagwan. Yo, we touched down safe and sound. It's going down Love Fest. My man Pallaso got me covered, you know, so y'all be ready for that.
Okay, Ugandans have seen you in Uganda for some good time.
This is my Jamaica.
They would like to know, why do you keep on coming to Uganda?
This is my Jamaica. It feels like Jamaica every time I'm in Uganda. There's too much love, so it's only proper that you go where the love is, no? You see?
Okay, let's talk about the Love Fest. First of all, you have a song
Take
with,
some love. Yeah.
You have a song with Pallaso.
Yeah.
How did you guys connect?
I met him through his brother Chameleon. You know, Chameleon is like, you know, the godfather. So we just met up in the studio and it was just pure vibes from there. Pure vibes. It was just pure vibes. There was no moment that we didn't know what we were doing, you see. So from the moment we met, we already said we were going to do a record and we did it and that was it.
Okay.
Straight.
How ready are you for a show?
I've been ready before. I've been ready since Chameleon's show. I've been ready for a long time, you know. I've been back and forth with Pallaso about it, you know. So, ready. I was born ready.
Who am I going
Take
to
some
show?
love.
Who am I going to show the love?
Who am I going to show the love to?
Yeah.
Everybody in Uganda, the Ugandan people and the whole of Africa is one, you see. Because we move as a unit. It doesn't matter the country that you're from. It's the fact that we're Africans and we're trying to get the music out to the rest of the world, you see. Yeah.
Okay, how was it working with Pallaso in studios?
It was vibes. It was real vibes. It was wicked. It was wicked. It was one of the memorable studio sessions that I've ever had, you know, with an artist. Because we were both in the studio and we both understood what we needed to do for the record to work. And big up Bow Wow. He was totally amazing. Big up Chameleon, who was in the session too. So, yeah, it was totally amazing. One of my most memorable studio sessions. Yeah.
Okay, should we expect more collaborations with some other Ugandan artists?
I do collaborations with anybody that's ready to work. You see, if you're ready to work and you know the vision and the goal that you have for your music, ready. It doesn't matter the country, it doesn't matter, you know, the color, it doesn't matter. Just get the music out there, you know? Yeah.
Your message to the beautiful Ugandans, ladies.
Who are coming for Love Fest?
I will not say it now, but come to Love Fest and you shall find out.
So how long are you going to be in Uganda?
As long as I can. As long as the gal don't want me here, I stay here. As long as Pallaso says we're staying, we're staying. You know, the tour is gonna be till probably towards the end of the month, so we're gonna be on the road a lot. So yeah.
Have you come for the main show only, or are you also going to move to other?
I'm actually about to drop my brand new EP titled Jaribu. So after the Love Fest, we keep pushing the brand new EP. We're going to Rwanda, Sudan, anywhere else the wave takes us, we just go. I've not been in my country in the past, God knows how long. I just keep going country to country, selling the Afro dancehall style. So that's basically it.
Okay, the show is on Friday and it's a Monday.
Yeah, man.
What are you gonna be doing in these days before?
I'll be spreading love. No, actually, I'll be premiering, you know, my EP to a couple of people. Big up the whole NRG radio crew. You know, I'm supposed to link up with them and preview the EP. Link up with a couple of DJs. Big up DJ Shiru. DJ Shiru owes me a song. So big up, you know, I just link up with the people that I need to link up with, you know, premiere the EP, preview the EP, and shoot a couple of videos. Big up my man Waxy for the Galem. And yeah, we'll be shooting a lot of videos while we're out here, at least till, you know.
Okay, how can you describe your relationship and with Pallaso and Pallaso as a person?
Pallaso is the king of the East, you see. And me, I'm the king of the West, Afro dancehall style. And when we come together, we take over the whole world, you see. Pallaso is a brother, he's a good man. He's a good man from his heart. He's really a humble person. You would never know till you get to meet him and talk, you see. And I thank the universe for bringing us together to make this track and for at least making us friends. Because it doesn't work when you're not friends with somebody and you make music. The chemistry is not there, but Pallaso is a good guy. He's a good friend, yeah.
Okay, thanks.